Alright, so welcome back. So today we're doing a cyser. You may be wondering, what is a cyser? Well, stay tuned, you'll find out. So a cyser consists of mainly, or traditionally, I guess you would call it. Let's move this back a little bit. Organic apple juice. You can use fresh squeezed or fresh pressed. But I just use store-bought. But make sure it's organic. There's no preservatives in it. See? Organic. I got another gallon. So I'm going to be using 2 gallons of that, or of this. And then I'm going to be adding some more fruit juice to it. So we got Santa Cruz Organic Agua Fresca. Should be delicious since it's mango and passion fruit. Can't go wrong. And so here's what makes it a cyser. Honey. This is from Wildfire. Or no. Hold on 1 second. High Mountain Honey, that's what it's called. You can find them on Instagram, but they're doing some rebranding and changing in different business model or something right now. So, but he's still, the dude's located here in San Diego. Cool dude. I got some stone fruit honey from him. I'm making a mead in the next video out of all of it, but today we're going to be using about half of this for the cyser. So let's get started. I'm going to first be warming up the apple juice so it's easier for the honey to mix in with all the other juice. Let's get started. Probably a teaspoon of yeast neat. God damn it, why does it keep doing that? Yeast nutrients. In this. These cheap ones are kind of suck, but they work, kind of, not really. So anyway, it's always good to take notes. So let's get it pouring right now. One down. Here we go. Cool. Alright, we got that done. Now to add this, the Agua Fresca. And I'm going to turn the flame on and wait till it gets up to like 90 degrees or so, and then we'll be adding the honey. So see you back then. Alright, and we're back. With a hat and a new beer. Because it's stone, they gotta freaking put their labels upside down because, you know, hashtag no stone unturned. That's their new marketing slogan. It is what it is. I mean, I guess it makes sense for like drinking like this. Then the label's right side up. Whatever. Alright, this is what we got so far. Still got the heat on. Alright, so we can be adding the honey. And so every honey is different, especially will taste, location obviously, and their sugar content. There's not really a way to measure it. I mean, there's a way to like measure how much it is, but not like actual sugar content. But I'm just gonna be adding like half of this, and like I said earlier, is stone fruit honey. Let's get pouring. You know, I'm just gonna pretty much just eyeball it. I'll just eyeball it and go from there. This stuff is delicious, by the way. And I'll be using this in the mead. A little bit more. It's about half-ish. And keep stirring for a minute. Now I'm going to turn off the flame. And probably wait like 20 minutes for it to cool down. All the while my Demon Brew small gallon fermenter is in sandy water. And so I guess right now I'm just gonna finish off the brew. It's only 12 o'clock. Day drinking, here we come. Alright, so just kind of finished up the Agua Fresca cyser. And so I'm thinking about dry hopping it actually. Let it ferment for a week and then dry hopping it. Of course, beer. But right now, so I poured it into my fermenter. You can see over there. Little Brew Demon 3-gallon fermenter. Like it's pretty solid. So if you ever find one, or you can order one right now. It's a pretty solid fermenter. They make this one's like a 3-gallon, so it holds pretty good at 2.5 gallons. And they make a 7-gallon one, I think, or a 6-gallon. That one looks pretty awesome too, and it has a very steep cone to it, so it works even better. Anyways, back to what I was saying. So it's all the cysers poured into my fermenter. It's still a little warm to the touch, so I'm gonna give it another hour or two to cool down, and then I'll be able to pitch the yeast, which I don't know if I said earlier, but I'm using sap cider yeast. But before that, I'll do a gravity reading, of course. Not sure what I'm gonna dry hop it with. Maybe apple crisp hops. Maybe like 2-4 ounces of that for like a couple days. I don't know. We'll see. But it should be delicious nonetheless. Yeah, pretty easy. Anyways, but yeah, just gonna wait for this to do its thing, cool down. But in the meantime, you know, trying to grow the channel. I'm like trying to also get more content out. It's just I'm working 2 jobs right now, so it's kind of hard. And brewing stuff isn't. I mean, it's kind of easy, but not as easy as it was to get brewing stuff. Apple juice is super easy to get, so those are easy to do. But yeah, trying to do more brewing stuff, and I think next week I'm gonna be doing a mead, so be on the lookout for that video. Same time, you know, just like and subscribe to the Modern Brew Life channel, and be trying to post up stuff on our Instagram and YouTube channel. So thank you guys, and catch you on the next video. Cheers.